Ever taken a great photo, ruined by random people in the background? Don't worry, in this video, I'll show you how to remove unwanted people from your photos easily. First, open AVCLabs Photo Pro AI. Upload the photo you want to fix. Next, just paint over the person or object you want to remove. The tool will automatically erase it and fill in the background. That's it, a clean photo in just a few clicks. Preview it and export now. AVCLabs also provides online tools. No need to download, you can use it by opening the web page. I put the tool download link and the online website link in the description area. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more easy photo tricks. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.